Okay, so our writing lesson 4.5. All right, let's discuss how the facts support the opinion. So our writing prompt, again, quickly review. When our focus statement for our writing prompt, we are persuasive. We are writing a persuasive text. That means we are convincing. When you don't see eye to eye with someone, it helps to explain your point of view. What do they mean by seeing eye to eye? Are you literally looking at each other in the eyes? No, when you don't see eye to eye with someone, that means you don't what? Good. It means good job, Leia. It means you don't agree with that person. So if you don't agree with someone, it helps to explain your point of view. Maybe if you explain your point of view, they can change their mind, right? Okay, like Mr. Tiger Goes Wild. He didn't see eye to eye with everybody else in the town, did he? No. And then he tried to explain his point of view, and they thought he was wild. But then when he came back and showed them, he saw that many of them, he explained to them why he thought his idea was probably better. And when he came back, he saw that there were people in the community that were convinced because he explained to them. All right. So it is important to explain your point of view on an issue. Think about an issue you have heard people disagree on. Okay? Write about the issue. This is what our writing prompt is. Write about the issue, describe the issue, state your point of view, and provide evidence about why others should support it. Get started. Do you have a strong opinion about some topics? Let's see. We're going to record those strong opinions on our paper 3.2. So we're working on this paper that says Choosing a Topic 3.2. Go ahead and take that out if you don't have it out already. All right. So let's go back and rewind a little bit. Think about an issue you have heard people disagree on. Who wants to share an issue? Any issue. This should be fun. What's an issue you've heard people disagree on before, Miss Amariah? Not going to the water park. Okay. I think there's a bigger and better issue that everybody nowadays disagrees on. Rena? Okay, if a person wants to play in the playground and the other person doesn't. What's something look at the big picture in the world right now. What's something everyone kind of disagrees on, Brenaya? Good. And what about the coronavirus do people disagree on, Leia? Oh, yeah, there's so much. Oh, I love the ideas. Finally, light bulbs going off in your head. I love it. Now let's slow down. Let's slow down. Let's slow down. Miss Brenaya said, for the onliners that didn't hear that, she said the coronavirus. A lot of people disagree on the coronavirus. So, who can raise their hand and tell me one thing that people disagree on? Don't tell me what you disagree on. Just tell me some arguments you hear sometimes. Raise your hand and wait. Leia? Okay, good. Wearing a mask. Some people, okay, hold on. Some people think that you should wear a mask, and some people think that you shouldn't wear a mask. So people are disagreeing on that. Okay? Destin? Okay, how about social? Okay, some people don't feel like they should social distance, right? Okay. I think, to be honest, I don't really see a lot of people not want to social distance, but I do see a lot of people not wanting to wear a mask. So, the mask one would probably be a stronger point. There's a few other stronger points. What's another one, Brenaya? Okay, but we're talking about the coronavirus right now. So, who can give me something with the coronavirus people disagree on, Amariah? They want to what? You have to raise your voice. I can't hear you. They want to give people what? Okay, they want to give people hugs. I don't really hear too much of the hugging. What do you think, JC? I can't hear a single word you said. What'd you say? Okay, good. Some people do not agree on sanitizing your hands all the time or washing your hands all the time. That's a good one. Rena? People don't want to what? Leah? What? Okay, we already talked about that. Haney? Good! Unfortunately, some people think that the coronavirus is fake. So that's something some people may disagree on. Good job. All right, last one. Dustin? Good. Quarantine. Some people don't think quarantine means when you have to basically stay home and not get out of your house for 14 or 10 days. So some people believe that they shouldn't quarantine because they've been close to somebody that had the virus. So good. That's another one. How about school? Don't you hear that? Some people believe that school should be all online. Some people think that schools should be all in person. Don't people disagree on that? Yes, very good. Brenaya? Working from home, very good. Some people think that all adults should probably work at home to try to minimize the spread of the virus. And some people think, no, they need to go work in work in order to keep the economy up, right? Okay, Leah? Okay, we just talked about that. All right, good. All right, so it is important to explain. Okay, so we're going to think about, we just talked about some things people disagree on. Now, let's write about the issues and describe the issues. So, on the opinion paper that says 3.2, it says choosing a topic. Let me see, I think I have it open already. I just have to look for it. Where are you?
It's not choosing a topic.
I think this is it. No, that's for 4. And here's for 3. Okay, so choosing a topic. Answer each question by circling the choice that best fits your opinion on the topic. School days should be longer. Do you think the school days should be longer? Yes. Do you think no? Or do you not really have an opinion? So you're going to go ahead and circle what you think. I'm not going to circle anything because this is your opinion. Opinion means what you think. Does that mean your opinion is wrong? No. Does that mean my opinion is right? No. You are free to have your own opinion. That means your own thoughts. Cats make the best pets. Yes or no? Circle what you think. Yes or no? We should wear school uniforms. Yes or no? Okay, circle what you think. What other topics do you have an opinion about? There's some schools in Texas that don't have school on Fridays.
What?
Yes. They have school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and that's it. So, let's not yell. So, let's see. Maybe we should write another one. Should we have school on Friday? And then you're going to write your opinion on the side.
No school. No. What if we wrote?
Oh no, do we need a sad face?
No.
Should we go to
School on Friday. For the rest of the week. No. I want to go to school. I hate it.
All right, I already warned you and you're not listening. That's your first sad face for today. If you have something to say, what happens to your hand? It goes up. Thank you. Should we go to school on Friday?
No.
You're going to write your opinion here, either yes or no. Okay? A minute ago, we talked about how people disagree on the coronavirus. So another topic we have an opinion about could be about the coronavirus. So we're going to take a vote. Do you guys want to do, for the coronavirus, do you guys want to do go to school or the wear a mask one? Go to school. I like the go to school one too. So should we go to school in person or online? Please do not share your opinions out loud. Just write them down. Should we go to school in person or online? And then what's another topic that people have an opinion about? Raise your hand. Justin? Masks. Should we wear masks? Okay, what's something that doesn't have to do with coronavirus that people disagree about? And Mariah? Bernaya? No. JC? Touching? Like for the virus? Okay. Maybe we should say masks then. Haney? Okay. Let's go ahead and do the masks then. Should we wear masks? Yes or no?
No.
So should we wear masks? Okay, then write your opinion on there. Okay, so read your ideas. Identify a topic you have a strong opinion about and write that topic here. So, based on one of these, either should school days be longer? Do cats make the best pets? We should wear school uniforms? Should we go to school on Friday? Should we go to school in person or online? Should we wear masks? Okay, so out of those 6 topics, what topic do you feel the most passionate about, the strongest about, you have the most ideas about, you feel so confident in your answer, and you just want to explain why to everybody in the world in the loudest voice? Which one of these topics do you want to write about for your final paper? Which one of these topics do you feel most strongly about? Whatever that topic is, you're going to write it here. So let's say, for example, if my topic is cats make the best pets, if I think that's my strongest opinion, then I'm going to write that here. My topic is cats make the best pets. If you think yours is should we go to school on Friday, then here you're going to write my topic is should we go to school on Friday. So you're going to choose, or should we wear a mask? You're going to write should we wear a mask. You're going to choose which one of these 6 topics do you want to write about. You're going to write it here, and then in a complete sentence, you're going to write what your opinion is. Okay? So then you're going to say, so if your opinion is whatever it is, you're going to say yes and tell me why, or you're going to say no and tell me why. Do you all understand? Does everybody understand, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good job. That's all we're doing today for our writing lesson. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. My onliners need to be doing the same thing, okay? All right, I'll see you guys later. Have fun learning.